Good mood, ma'am. Nice format. Okay, so you are MM consultant. Great. Ma'am, your recent passport size photograph is required. Otherwise, everything you put very well. Okay. Requirement planning. So you are aware about P2P procedure, right? Good, good.
Yes.
Integration between MM. So FI to MM integration. Scroll down, ma'am. Mm-hmm. Very good, very good. English, Hindi. Very nice, ma'am. Okay, and do you have any experience? Did you work anywhere, ma'am?
No, I'm a
No.
fresher.
Okay, you are a fresher. Okay, fine,
Yes.
fine. Ma'am, did you completed your internship?
Like in this week, it will be completed.
Okay, fine. And have you given your examination?
No, not yet.
Fine, fine, fine. So in terms of exam, do you have a questions did you practice somewhere?
No, just I have done this internship.
ओके मग तुमच्याकडे काही क्वेश्चन्स आहेत का तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस कशी करताय एक्झामची विदाउट प्रॅक्टिस हाऊ डू यू थिंक दॅट यू विल बी एबल टू गिव्ह एक्झाम
But I'm practicing on the server.
no no I'm asking about your examination do you know exam pattern 1 hour exam there will be MCQ questions one question four answers are you practicing
Yes,
it
yes. Yes.
Ah, ah. Fine, then it's okay, ma'am. Absolutely fine. Great, great. So you will definitely be able to clear the exam. So give the exam as soon as possible so that it will be easy for you. And do you have all the material for this one in terms of preparation for exam and other details as well for interview as well?
Yes.
Great, ma'am. No problem. You can stop sharing the screen. Thank you. Nice format. Yes. Paras, please, you also please share the screen. Show it to me. Paras and Sahil, I want to see your resumes as well. Share the screen. I want to check your resume as well.
Can I share now?
Yeah, yeah. Please share the screen.
Okay. Share screen.
Mhm.
Yes, so this is my resume.
Okay.
I am an animator
Mm-hmm.
and a visual
Maximize
artist.
this, please maximize the screen. I can't see anything. It's very
Oh,
small. Fonts and everything are very small.
is it too cluttered?
I can say now it is visible. Wait. Scroll up from the beginning. Very good. So your recent passport size photo is required.
Okay.
Nice. Otherwise, format is very good. Nice format.
Mhm.
Experience your character animator right now. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And
Ontario.
for
Okay.
education and languages.
Great, sir. Format is very nice. Very nice format. I must say that it's a very good and ideal format as well. You have mentioned everything.
Mm.
I don't think any changes are required. Only your recent passport size photo you can put. Otherwise, rest other things you have put very well. You did you also do internship over here so that it will be easy for
Uh,
you? Hmm?
no. I didn't do any internship over. I'm just here for the French course, French language course.
Acha, French language. Then it's okay. No problem.
Okay.
Have you completed the course?
No. I'm just started with the course. It's just been like
Mhm,
about
mhm.
less than 10 classes.
Fine. Format is good, sir. There is no issue about your format. Also, you are on LinkedIn, so no problem. Only one thing, your recent passport size photo you can add, and the rest other things you have mentioned very well. So there is no issue. Fine, sir. You can stop sharing
Okay.
this. Yes, who wants to share now? Paras, please share the screen. I want to check your resume as well.
Pranav, actually, I've just joined Henry
Acha,
Harvin, like not even a single class.
acha, okay.
So
No problem.
I
No problem.
got this in my update, so I thought about joining your session.
Fine. There is no issue. No problem. No problem. Okay, so I just wanted to, so I will also show you few resume formats. It will be helpful for you to understand. Give it 2 minutes. Okay, Quinta. Okay, I'm sharing the details. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Please understand this. There are two formats which I wanted to show you. It will be very helpful for you to understand. Okay, so this is how a resume should be. Your recent passport size photo, your name, email address, your contact number, and LinkedIn ID. Please mention. I have seen that most of you have already mentioned. You need to put your skill sets as well, and make sure that your resume should be one page only. Do not make a big resume. Only one page is required. That's okay, because see, every company has their own ATS. So ATS is application tracking system. So make sure that your resume should be one page and not more than that. Understood? So business research, marketing management. So every other important details you need to mention here under the skill sets. Summary is required to be mentioned as well as professional experience. Make a note of it. The professional experience is required in that roles and responsibilities and initiate. So this is very important column. Initiatives and achievements you have taken in your previous job. That's important. Okay. Then, but the other details as well. So whichever companies you have worked, you need to mention that. Specifically mention your internship. Like, ma'am, you have mentioned very well. I want you to mention your internship, whether like irrespective of time. It can be 3 months, 6 months, or whatever may be the time limit. Mention that. Roles and responsibilities and other details you need to mention in the internship, and educational qualification. It has to be in a reverse order, because the recent qualification will always come on top, then the bachelor's degree and the other degrees as well. One by one, you can maintain that. Understood? Then the certifications you can mention, whatever certifications you have taken, you need to mention that over here. Okay. Then your achievements part, you can mention the professional, academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities as well. Understood this one? So you need to put your email address, your phone number and address. Yeah, tell me. Yes.
If I may ask, what specific words do those ATAs target? Let's say if it is for a sales manager or salesperson, what kind of words does the company ATS will uh, pick so that candidate is like on top of the others?
It is clearly mentioned in your job description. See, your resume should be a mirror image of the job description. Whatever is there in a job description has to be there in your resume. It should not be a mismatch. If you put the information which is required by them as per the job description, your resume will definitely get shortlisted. Rest depend on you how you clear the interview. But suppose, for example, I'm a consultant for SAP. I'll tell you that. Suppose company is looking out for, like you, as you mentioned. So in terms of sales, they will clearly mention that a person who has got a good knowledge of SAP SD, sales and distribution, CRM, that is customer relationship management, order to cash procedure, and even record to report procedure as well. So all the keywords should be there in your resume, like that SD, then O2C, R2R, and the procedure like customer accounts and every other detail. So it has to be specifically related to sales only. Your experience, your internship, and even other details as well, like roles and responsibilities mainly carry the SD experience, sales experience. In terms of skills also, you need to put the details as per the requirement of job description in a company. Got it? Yeah. Anyone else has any other issues?
So,
Please let me
so
know.
if anyone has done a part-time job which is kind of unrelated to the field they're applying for, should they also add that, or like we should keep
You
it
can
aside? Like,
you can add that, but if it is relevant only. If you suppose, for example, you are applying for a sales position and your job into a different domain, please don't add, because that is irrelevant for the job openings you are applying for.
okay,
And suppose, huh,
so if I'm applying for sales, but I've worked in a restaurant as like
mm, mm,
a crew member,
mm, mm.
I should omit that information
You
altogether.
need to omit that information because it is not at all related to the job description. Otherwise, if it is a complete mismatch, your resume will not get shortlisted, sir. Also, there are several companies who prefer those who are not studying at the moment. You should be free, because they might feel like if you are studying at the moment, you will not be able to concentrate on job. So if you are doing any full-time degree, please do not mention that. Like suppose, for example, you are applying for a job and you are at the same time you are doing MBA course as well. So companies don't prefer those candidates who are studying at the moment. Unless and until it is required, do not put the information. If it is extremely required as per the job description, only then it is necessary to be put. Otherwise, it's better not to put the information which is not related to job description and required by the company as well.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. One more CV also I'll show you. This one. See, this is for Elon Musk. You can put the details over here, like whatever your job description says. Then the contact details, work experience required. Now, skills and competencies. Make sure that you mention that. Even your achievements and certificate in the previous CV as well, we have seen. Make sure that you have that, and your interest as well. Whatever your interests are, you need to mention that. Always make sure that your resume should be ATS friendly. ATS friendly means mainly as per job description only. Okay. So in fact, I suggest everyone you can prepare at least 2 to 3 different formats. Information will be similar, format is going to be different. So different format. Information will be similar, but format will be different so that it should be ATS friendly. And once your resume will get shortlisted by the company, you need not to worry about getting the job opportunities. Okay. So for every job description, prepare a different resume. You need to make little bit of changes here and there so that your resume will get shortlisted for a company. Understood? Any doubt? Ma'am, any doubt you have? No doubt. Fine. Okay, Lavanya, can you please share the screen? I want to see your screen as well. Hello.
Hi, sir. Actually,
Hello.
I'm a new joiner. Hello.
Okay.
Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you. Yes.
I just joined today for the class. Yesterday, I got my admissions done. So if you give me time next class, I'll prepare a resume.
Absolutely.
And
Okay.
I'll share.
Sure. So anybody has any doubt, you can please ask me.
Thank you.
Absolutely fine. Ma'am, take your time. No problem. Ma'am, which course you are for?
Payroll in HR.
Great. Very nice. No problem. So those who don't have a resume at the moment, no problem. In the next session, you can show. But make sure you prepare a proper resume. See, don't wait for the opportunities to come. Okay. You might get an opportunity anytime soon. So it is better for you to be to have a resume prepared, and you can apply for the opportunity as soon as it comes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Great. No problem. So if in case anybody doesn't have any questions to ask, we can stop sharing or stop the class over here. Okay. Sure. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you.
For the next class, I want all of you to have a proper resume. Rest others, well, you can also prepare resume. Shreya ma'am, nice resume. Even this one. Others also, nice resume. Sahil ji, आपका भी resume बढ़िया है, कोई issue नहीं है. So those who hasn't shown a resume to me, make sure that you prepare and show me in the next class. I'm waiting for you. Okay, chalo. Thanks everyone. Bye. Good day. Bye.